everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how does ChatGPT work behind the scene. So in order to understand this AI feature of the ChatGPT, you need to follow the steps. So first thing first, open your browser and type in openai.com and log in. If you don't have an account, you could try creating one. So basically, it uses a language or a large learning or language model that is called LLMS to engage in user conversations and generate human-like responses. So its foundational architect is the generative pre-trained transformer, and it is trained on a large amount of data generated relevant and meaningful response. So basically, what you could do is here, when you type in any sort of prompt, you could find the information accordingly or automatically. You type out, you could find a list of informations over here, and you could just go ahead and make sure to provide the specific keywords that is going to help you out to run ChatGPT. And likewise, as I already mentioned, that it works in a large language model, that is LLMS, to engage in a conversation like a human response. So this is basically how it works behind the scene. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.